Yeah, today we are working on this black American baby girl. Oh my God. Guys, to give you a short story, like the mom and the dad, they inboxed us and was like, we have our baby girl, they call her an angel. We have our angel here, and we really like your job. So I hope we want this baby girl to feel the touch of legacy and to feel HAIRGUM UG touch. I was like, oh my God. This black American girl, when he reached that HAIRGUM salon, I was like, how are you, baby girl? I was like, I'm fine. So I was like, what have you come to do? I said, no, I've come to feel the touch of HAIRGUM. Like my daddy always show me your work, and I was like, oh my God, I have to try it today. Then this woman came, this guy baby angel, and when he reached the HAIRGUM, she was like, hi, are you going to work on me? I was like, yes. I said, oh my God, thank you. You're smart, and I like smart men to work on me. I was like, I've hated it, man. Yeah, so this girl came with a lot of excitement. Most of the people, they fear these angels, these little angels that they disturb. But this beautiful American black angel, she was so sweet. Oh my God. Even I worked on this girl, but even I couldn't want to stop. Guess what? He came, and when he reached there, I was like, you know what? I want to plait the hair that everyone at school, he doesn't have it. I was like, hey, you're studying? He said, yes, I'm at international school. I was like, oh my God, I can't imagine. And then he promised me to say that when I grow, I'll always be the first on your door to make me with a unique hair. I was like, oh, you're in the right trap. Yeah, so when he came, then I was like, now we have a new hairstyle for kids, angels like you. And she was like, it's called Marina Twist. So I said, wow, I like the name. Hope the way that beautiful name it is, and hope the hairstyle it will be also, oh my God, you're going to look more of an angel. Oh my God. Yeah, then we came and plaited the hair, the one she had on the head. We washed, and she was feeling everything. She was like, oh my God, I like it. And he likes fruits, we brought her some fruits, and she was like, oh my God, thank you, uncle. We're like, oh, thank you so much. Then we continue as we're plaiting the girl. Oh my God, the girl was sexy. He was sweet. He didn't even disturb. And they were like, oh my God. She said, I'm not feeling anything on my head. This hair is so light and beautiful. I was like, wow. Indeed, this is HAIRGUM UG. Please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, leave the comment there. Yeah, oh my God. Thank you so much, really. I really appreciate you guys. May God bless you more. Keep watching and keep subscribing HAIRGUM UG YouTube channel. Yeah, when we plaited this lady, she was like, oh my God, this is so light on the head. I'm not feeling anything. I was like, wow, that's good. Well, come back to this. This lady, when we began plaiting her swaz, these little angels, their hair, it's always soft, so you have to touch it softly. In fact, you have to touch it romantically. Understand? Yeah, so we plaited her the swaz, and she was like, oh my God, I'm feeling good. Then I asked her, is your hair paining? He said, no, it's not paining. I'm just feeling good. I'm feeling your touch of legacy is all over me. I said, oh, go. Oh, thank you so much. Shout out to my people in Chicago, UK, London, US. I'm seeing you, my big fan in US. Oh my God. One day this beautiful lady, she said, I'm going to invite you to my home and you plait me the whole year there. I was like, oh, I'm coming in US. So yeah, so we continued with this beautiful angel here, and she was like, oh my God, this lady, this beautiful young lady, she was amazing me. Like, she was telling me the stories that they always played her and the head pains, but it was like, I'm here, I'm feeling as if, the magic on my hair. And I was like, oh wow, magic is more coming. So when you begin plaiting this hair, make sure you put the threads that they are little, because this natural hair, it doesn't need a lot of threads. And beside that, this is a kid, you don't need to put those a lot of threads on the head. Yeah, you have to touch it softly. Still use this I call it puff swaz that is going up. Yeah, it helps most of the people, like the way, if you want to hold your hair in the puff form, everyone he won't notice that you've plaited a crochet. He may think it's an invisible crochet. Oh my god, beautiful. Yeah, thank you. I'm seeing a comment. So I'm telling me, wow, you plaited a beautiful angel. I'm bringing my angel too. Oh my god, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Leave a comment. More comments there. Oh my god. Yeah, then we begin after the swaz and everything is done. Then we come to the anyway, people call it the biggest section, but to me, very easy, as long as the magic touch in the building. Then after you do the same thing, you stand behind, but make sure these are kids. You have to be soft and romantic if you're plaiting these little angels, please, out there. These kids, like, they don't want something which is rough, and they don't want something that is pain. Remember, an adult, even if something is pain for him, for her, he can be a bit of patient. But these angels, you'll hear telling you, stop touching my hair, it's paining. If you pain her, so you have to be romantic, and you have to be with a convincing word, like you put stories, so that the baby, she will feel at home. Yes, and there are some ears that really they don't need to be plaited, because their head is still very soft, the vessels mostly. But these beautiful angels, oh my god, this one is very easy to go. Yeah, so you begin you stand behind, you crochet coming upwards, you go on the right, you do the same thing, you come on the left, you do the same thing. So here comes when you've done each and everything, you've plaited her, like, then again you first ask her, after holding a puff, make sure you come, you pull a little bit, I'm looking for the good word to use, like extend it a bit. You understand? Like you extend it a bit behind. You go on the left, you come on the right, then you come in front. Then after, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, leave a comment, ring the bell, share. Thank you. Then after, you come and you ask the little angel, then you say, is it paining? He will tell you automatically no. You know what I like about kids, trust me or not, these people, they're open. For her, when thing is paining, I swear she will tell you uncle is paining or auntie it's paining. But when you reach to adult, even if it's paining, as long as it's tired, you say no, I'm okay. Make sure, and please don't forget to ask a client, have you really liked our work? How is it? You understand? Then when you do that, even the client, when he goes back, he feels at home. Most of the people, you don't usually ask these kids, and they go away when they're annoyed. But me, why I like these angels, for them, they tell you the truth. They say, uncle, it's paining. Uncle, it's not paining. Yeah, so my beautiful angel was telling me. I asked, is it paining, Angel? It's like, no, it's not paining. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. And I say, I don't feel anything on my hair. The hair is very light. Oh, said, thank you so much. Yeah, then after, you get a scissor. If you get a scissor, then you begin chopping. Don't chop the whole of it. Just chop the tips, Yeah, chop the tips. Then after chopping that tips, that is the new hairstyle for kids. And this kid, by the way, she was the first person to do it, and is from the US. Can you imagine? Oh my God! Thank you so much. Shout out to mom and dad for these angels. My main man, Osman, on the camera. You're doing the best. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, HAIRGUM UG. Yeah. You leave a comment there, I'll find it. Yes. So when you're done with this beautiful angel, and then kids like something that it will make them to attempt their mind. So we decided to pull one rope on right and one rope on left. Then we put some beads there. And she was like, oh, Uncle, I love this. Oh my God. My friends at school are going to like it. I was like, wow. Thank you so much. And she was like, you know what? I really love this hair. And I'm going to tell my fellow angels to come and taste the touch of legacy on HAIRGUM UG, the home of creativity. I was like, oh, wow. Thank you so much. Yeah, so today we have been with our angel, my black American girl. Yeah, thank you for coming and visiting HAIRGUM UG Salon, and please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. We're signing out. Shout out to my big people. I won't forget you.